Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I've got another get ready with me, and today's wig is from MyFirstWig, and today I'm working with their CBS 003 wig, and it's also a medium brown lace wig. So it came pre-plucked and it came pre-bleached, so literally all I had to do was just to install the wig and style the wig. The hair actually came freestyled as well, but obviously I decided to go back and add a bit more curls to the hair to make it look, you know, more popping basically. So if you guys want to see how I got this whole look and also my outfit, then make sure you stay tuned and carry on watching, and I'll make sure to leave all the links you guys need to know down below, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye. As you guys can see, the wig came freestyled because it's got some curls in it already, and straight out of the box this hair feels extremely silky. It feels really soft as well, so I can't wait to install this wig. This is the construction of the wig. As you can see, it comes pre-bleached, it comes pre-plucked as it has a natural hairline, and it comes with an elastic band inside the wig and some combs inside obviously, and a strap at the back. It seems like they've cut some layers into the hair as well, because you guys can see the front part of the hair is shorter than the rest of the hair, so I do need to go in and pluck the hairline just a bit more, you know, to stop it from looking so wiggish. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to pluck the hairline, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut off the excess lace, then we can install the wig. So you guys can see the difference already. This is the side that I've just gone ahead to customize a little bit more, and this is the side that I haven't even touched. So you can see it has that line of demarcation where you can see, you know, where it starts, and then with this it looks a lot more natural. So you don't really have to do much, but just to go in and just pluck the hairline a bit just to get rid of that line of demarcation. So that's just all I'm doing right now. Okay, so guys, I'm done plucking the hairline now, and as you guys can see, it looks a lot better. So this is what the other side looks like as well. So much better, and that line of demarcation is gone. Okay, so I'm done styling the hair now, and this is what the wig is looking like. Guys, can I just say this hair is so lush. Like, the hair is extremely soft, it's so bouncy, it's so silky. It feels really, really soft as well. Like, and as you guys can see, it definitely holds curls. So I'm so impressed with the wig. So happy the hair came like already layered, so I didn't really have to cut the hair or do much to it. Like, this is literally more or less how the hair came. I've just gone ahead to, you know, add the curls to it again. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go get dressed and get changed into my outfit so you guys can see the whole look. So this is more or less like a date night hairstyle slash outfit, like what you can wear if you're going out on a date with your bae or going out on a date with one of your girls. I would definitely rock this hairstyle, and also the outfit I'm about to show you guys as well. So like I said, this wig is from MyFirstWig. I didn't even have to do much plucking because it came pre-plucked, but obviously I had to get rid of the line of demarcation that the wig had at the front. You guys actually saw me plucking the hair, so I'm so happy with this install as well. Like, the hair just looks so good. You guys, let me know what you think down below of this hairstyle and this wig. So yeah, I'm gonna go get changed now, and then I'll be back to show you guys the finished look.